Hey everybody, Boris speaking for us. Welcome to the crosses section for June 24th to June 28th, 2019. The crosses this week are really setting up as a sort of a major against calm dollar trade in many ways, because really the big events are going to be the G20 meeting and the RBNZ decision. So to that effect, I have a couple of ideas here that I wanted to share with you. Specifically, as far as the Kiwi weakness strength goes, clearly one of the more interesting trades right now setting up is the Euro Kiwi, because it is at this cusp of a breakout move. The 73 is a very, very long-term resistance point, and if it pierces through that, I think it opens up the run all the way up to possibly 75. This is all essentially a Kiwi weakness trade with Euro relative strength holding on. Support here comes in at 170 to the downside as far as the trade goes. So if you're looking to buy the tip, that's where it probably is going to be. I'll show you on the charts in just a second. The next big trade is really the G20 trade. This is sort of the risk-on feel-good trade. It looks good on the charts. We have a nice double bottom here, the 21. And of course, if we do get the positive flows in risk-on, it suggests that we could project all the way out to 123 as the week progresses. And then last but not least, a low volatility mean reversion trade here. This is really a trade essentially on the idea that Caddy's rally is going to be done for now, that there's going to be a little bit of profit taking while Aussie kind of holds bid. So if you look at the setup and you look at the charts here, it certainly looks like a nice turn trade here with 91 to the downside, 92 to the upside as the chart develops. So let's take a look actually at the Aussie Cad first. Here's the Aussie Cad trade. The thing that's nice about this is you can see is that we close pretty much on the highs of the day. It's a nice doji candle to the top side. We have tested the lows, but didn't quite hold the lows from the days prior. But we bought the lows from the day prior, and this 9100 is in the big round number support. You can see it over here. Look where I go over here, all the way down here. So we bounced off that support. It's a pretty meaningful level here. Certainly has scope to run to 92s over the next couple of days, maybe consolidating a little bit more. If we break 91s, yeah, then all bets are off. This is not going to be the right trade to do going forward. Euro Kiwi, as I was showing you earlier, this is, as I said, just at the cusp of a major breakout, right? So we had a big power move on Friday. We're right on the edge here. The 73 is a big edge. If we go 73.50, it really opens up the scope all the way out to 75. It's a major move. Overall, it's a long-term positive trend. We're in an uptrend. We're above the 20 SMA. Certainly looks like it's primed for a breakout. It's essentially a negative Kiwi trade. If the RBNZ comes in and just says, yeah, for sure, we're going to be cutting rates, we see some serious slowdown, plus the data trips them up ahead of time, you kind of got to love this trade, both fundamentally and technically, for a big breakout to the upside. And then the last trade that I wanted to show you, well, I think, did we do the, no, we haven't done the Euro Yen. So let me show you the Euro Yen here. Where is this? Here it is. Here's the Euro Yen. So here's the Euro Yen, and this is what I'm talking about as far as the double bottom here. This is the G20 trade, right? So the idea here is we get positive, warm, fuzzy feelings from the Z-Trump meeting. That's going to really, I think, push yen higher. Euro stays steady. That puts us right on the path towards the 123s. Technically, we're looking good here. Nice big double bottom. Friday's close very strong to the highs. We held the double bottom well. We took out actually like 3 or 4 days of highs. It's an engulfing candle. All of these things just kind of argue for the idea that we should be able to trade the bottom here for the upside. Obviously, 21 gets broken, the whole trade goes to hell in a handbasket. So at this point, this seems to be the proper orientation as we go into the week. I wish you guys the best luck, the best of trading. Boris Schlossberg, over and out.